Oh hey, how's it going? Are you learning a lot in this course? That's great. Now before you watch the next video, answer this question. Which of the following nouns can be counted and which cannot? Cow, grass, government, museum.
Here are the answers. We'll come back to these soon. The misuse of articles can really make your writing look bad, even if the rest of it is okay. In the same way, the correct and accurate use of articles will really impress the examiner because it shows that you have a mastery of a difficult grammatical function. But how can we use articles accurately? The answer is connected to count and non-count nouns. In English, we would generally not consider the noun grass to be countable. We don't say keep off the grasses because we think of grass not as individual pieces but as a mass of them. In fact, in any small patch of grass there may be hundreds of individual blades of grass, but we think that it is unnecessary or impossible to count each of them. In the same way, it is unnecessary to specify the exact number of grains of sand or rice. So we can say that grass is a non-count noun. On the other hand, we think of cow as a singular, individual thing that can be counted. 1 cow, 2 cows, 3 cows, and so on. So cow is a count noun. Now, here is the magic rule about articles. A singular count noun cannot be without an article. This sentence is incorrect. Why? Because cow is a singular count noun. According to our rule, a singular count noun cannot be without an article. There are 3 ways to fix the error, and each one has a different meaning. Let's take a look. In example 1, we added the indefinite article a to the noun cow. Although this is now grammatically correct, it may be an unusual choice in most contexts. That's because the sentence means that of all the cows in the world, there is one particular unidentified cow that eats grass. In example 2, we added the definite article the to the noun cow. This is also grammatically correct, but the meaning is this: the writer assumes that the reader knows or can identify exactly which cow the writer is referring to. In example 3, we changed the singular count noun cow to the plural count noun cows and changed the verb. This is the best choice in most cases because it means we are not referring to any one particular cow, but rather all cows in the world, or the general idea of the animal that we call a cow. Since it is true that all cows in the world eat grass, it makes sense to use a plural noun. Of course, this may all seem simple from my example, but in reality, it is very easy to make mistakes with articles. Just remember the rule and make sure you leave some time at the end of the exam to check all of your noun groups.